Today I'm making a lovely little baby sampler, and you can personalise it to make it completely unique. Here I've pre-prepared a 23cm square frame by backing it with decorative paper and marking the central point and rough grid lines, which just helps me put my tiles where I want them. I've got a 50mm roll in my Brother printer, and I'm going to choose New Design and adjust the label size. Click on Art and then Baby Shower and choose a picture. Adjust the image to fit the label and print to. I'm going to use the second one to cut bits off and decoupage onto the other one for a nice effect. Glide to cut and repeat that for any pictures you want to create decoupage tiles for. While you're waiting for all of your designs to print, you can start preparing by peeling the backing off one of each of the designs and sticking them to one of your gold squares. Then start to cut out parts of the second copies and use 3D glue to decoupage them over the top of the first layer. With a 9mm roll in the Brother printer, make a couple of chevron flags with the weight and time of birth, making sure your chosen background doesn't overpower the text. Take a bit of time to flat glue the other tiles around it. It's worth it, I promise. Because it's so quick and easy to design and print using the Brother Design and Craft printer, I can create this baby sampler as a gift with baby-specific details as soon as they are born. Having themed categories within the app makes the process so much quicker and easier.